right now, neither one of the boxers seem like they're able to find the correct distance.
You can tell that they're not as aggressive as they was before, but you can still tell that they keep the intensity, just not the aggression. And I really do think that this fight does mean a lot due to the fact that they both did lose their last matches.
Yeah, they're both honing in on one another's weaknesses, and they both, I feel like they both see the fight very clearly. They know what they have to do. Rivera, knows that he has to get a little bit closer. He's just a little too far out to get his work done. Jimenez is not cooperating with that. And Jimenez knows he's got to land that straight right hand. If he lands the straight right hand, he does two things. He has the potential of doing damage, and he's also targeting the cut.
You can definitely tell that Hernandez does have. You can tell that he does look like he is getting a little bit more tired now.
Yeah, I'm not seeing it. I'm not seeing either one of them getting tired. I think the pace of the fight is so slow that both of them can sustain the pace of the fight. I think the one that pushes the fight is the one that stands the chance of winning the fight. But you have to push the pace of the fight in order to come up with the victory. I think that adjustment could net good results for whoever does that.